446. We're getting back to Chesley. Certainly have some changes in store with this weather impact alert.
That's absolutely right, with some storms that will be moving through our forecast area. So today we have an 11 live weather impact alert because of the heavy rain that's going to be associated with a few of those thunderstorms. Could impact your commute, folks. If you're going to be out driving, trying to get away for the holiday, you're looking at some gusty winds could be associated with a few of those thunderstorms. Again, it would lead to some travel impacts, which is why we're giving it that alert. You'll notice a few isolated showers around for this morning, not having much of an impact, but we are seeing some light showers around from Juneau all the way down to Lawrenceville over toward Roswell, even into northern parts of Paulding County, into Bartow County as well. You're looking at a little isolated, heavier bout of rain there, indicated by that orange just right there, probably over the Woodstock area. That will, or not in the Woodstock area, but over into against other parts of Bartow County. We'll be watching for more of that to pop up as we head into mid-morning into early afternoon. It's going to be off and on as we head through the day with a couple of rounds of heavy rain that's going to be pushing in. I think we'll get our first round pushing into our area around 8 or 9 o'clock, and then another round will come in as we head into the evening after about 6 o'clock tonight. You're looking at temperatures in the 60s, got some 50s out there as well. It's a nice mild start. You notice that line back off to the west of us. These red boxes right here indicate tornado watches. You can see those over into parts of Louisiana and also into Mississippi. We don't have any severe weather into Alabama as of yet. I think this line will come through. There may be a couple of claps of thunder associated with it, but we're not expecting that to be severe. It'll be that second round that comes through that could be severe. That cold front associated with this is still back off to the west of us. That's going to push through. And behind that front is where we'll see those temperatures really start to cool down as well. Right now, a level 2 threat, or that yellow that you see there, included for a couple of our counties over into Alabama. The level 2 threat is what we call a slight risk for severe weather. We have that level 1 over much of our area. You see all of North Georgia included in that. That's a marginal risk, which means an isolated strong severe thunderstorm is possible. Main threats with this would be the heavy rain. Of course, some strong winds could be associated with it. Very low threat when it comes to tornadoes or any hail out there, but the winds we'll have to be on the lookout for. There could be some heavy rain, folks, getting up to maybe 2 inches in a few spots. Generally speaking, half an inch to an inch of rain possible with this. And of course, we're still in drought conditions, so we need that rain. Here it is, our forecast track model. You can see where we had the isolated activity early. Once we get to 8, 9 o'clock, you have that line that's going to push through the area. That'll be through the area by early afternoon. And then we'll be looking at more scattered precipitation with a few embedded thunderstorms. And then another line will come into the area by 7, 8 o'clock tonight. And that will push through. Should be out of the way by the time we get to midnight. And we'll start to see some clearing through the overnight going into Wednesday morning. Wednesday will feature the sunshine. We'll have plenty of it around the forecast area. Temperatures a little bit cooler, down into the 60s for highs. Some early morning clouds on Thanksgiving morning, but by the afternoon we'll clear that out. It will be a colder day on Thanksgiving. Looking at temperatures down into the low 50s. In fact, right around 50 for Friday if you're going out shopping or staying home shopping. And then another round of rain will come our way as we head